So, kicking things off, Moonscouts, we are checking out Yankee Candle, and wow, did they have a lot of autumn scented candles. I was thrilled. I did not expect for them to have this many. I had heard that they had a few, but I thought it was just going to be a few, and they actually had multiple displays out with autumn scents. They did not have any Halloween scents out yet, but like I said, I was really surprised that they even had as many autumn fall both candles and accessories as I'm going to be showing you. So the new collection that I had heard about was this Woodland Road Trip one, and it consists of 4 scents. It is Farm Fresh Peach, Sunlit Autumn, Woodland Road Trip, and Cozy Cabin Escape. And also you can see there I'm just kind of showing off some of the pretty little autumn leaf candle holders. But yeah, I definitely smelled all of them. I smelled a lot of things when I was in there, as I always do, as anyone should. And so I'm just kind of going over and zooming in just to show you all the little bit better of the artwork on the containers. Now these ones that I just showed you, the pumpkin banana scone, something like that. That one was really, really good. I love sort of the not warm, the sweet kind of pumpkin, like baked good smell, candles. Really big fan of those. So yeah, I'm just kind of zooming in and showing you the little decals on Cozy Cabin Escape. Really love the design for that one. Love the Woodland Road Trip. I'm just gonna go ahead right now and tell you I love everything. The peach one is the only one that I'm a little about, considering I don't really consider that an autumn scent, but it did smell very good. I did enjoy it, and as you can see, they had some little apple and pumpkin candle holders. So cute. And here's another display. Now these are some older scents, the Crisp Fall Night and the Cranberry. Those were super nice as well. I love the Crisp Fall Night. I've bought those before. And then they had some other scents over here. You could see some apple scents and vanilla. Fall Festival. Fall Festival is a personal favorite of mine. And then over here they had another big display. They had, like I said, they had multiple displays for the autumn scents. Some new, some returning. This one had, oh my goodness. So the pumpkin spice, or it's called spiced pumpkin, excuse me. Big fan of that one. Big fan of Harvest. I also really am a big fan of any of the cinnamony spiced sort of smells. Now these are some of these, I forget the name. I think they're called like Wallflower. Maybe that's Bath and Body. That's the actual brand name. But yeah, they're little diffusers, liquid diffusers, and I use these as well. And as you can see, they had both autumn designs out as well as a couple of little autumn scents there. You can see I'm just sort of zooming in to show you guys. Oh, and they had a huge display here of just, I believe it was sugared maple pancakes or something along those lines. Wow, if you like sweet maple scents, it was delicious smelling in my opinion. You won't hear much negative opinions about candle scents from me because there weren't very many I picked up that I didn't like. I think there was only one of the new autumn ones that I wasn't a big fan of, and it was like something, not the Woodland one, but it was something else with a road trip in the name. And then next we're moving on to Bath and Body. This is a quick video, as you can see, and oh my goodness, they had a huge display out of both autumn and, get this, Halloween products already. I was thrilled beyond belief. Oh my goodness. So just starting out here, I'm just sort of panning over and showing you all. So we're going to start with the autumn scents first, the candles and body products. And then I'm going to show you guys the Halloween products. And yeah, right as soon as you entered the store, they had a huge autumn display, and that's what I'm showing you right now, and it'll be directly behind that one is the Halloween, and you can kind of see in the video sort of it behind it. And I absolutely loved the artwork of those little candles there. Really, really cute. I'm a big fan of the artwork on the candles for Bath and Body especially. That honestly is they're very good at marketing it because I'm a fan of the designs. I think they do a great job with that and making the candles really pretty, and they're great to reuse as well for other things. So yeah, they had these like different sort of baked good themed ones here, like the pineapple pound cake, and they had like blueberry pancakes and pumpkin waffles, and wow, that's making me hungry just thinking about that again. I was hungry while I was in the store, and definitely was craving some sugar, let's just say that. I thought that fox candle holder was really cute, so I zoomed in on that one. And then over here, this is the back of the display, and this is where they had their diffusers, and I actually ended up getting the leaf one that you can see. Those were really pretty. They had pumpkins, of course. Gotta have multiple pumpkin diffuser holders, and they had a big selection of diffuser scents of the plugins, and then they had a display of all the autumn scented hand soap, and oh my gosh, I really thought that was so adorable. That soap holder, things that you would not think about. You go into the store and it's like, I would never think to get a holder for my soap, and they really get you with that. And then on to the Halloween. Oh my goodness, oh my gosh, I was in love with so many of the products here. Again, not just the scents, but the design as well. I loved the artwork. So fun. They even had little like lip gloss and bath bombs, and oh my gosh, I just couldn't believe how big of a display they had. Yeah, the ghoul friend, so that was really cute. I love the design of it. So obviously I'm going through these very quickly, so I'm not able to go in depth about the scents too much. I might make another video about that. Ghoul friend was more on the fruity side, I will tell you. Wicked apple, that one smelled, I think that was the one that smelled like caramel apples. It was really good. The vampire blood, I love the artwork for it. It was also a fruity scent. I personally am not big on fruity scents let me just say personally again. So I loved the design of them, but I wasn't huge on the scent. But I liked the wicked apple because it smelled like caramel apple specifically. And there was another one called like haunted nights. That one was good. Yeah, and they just had little tuxedo holders, and even on some of the candles there's like spider webs on the tops. Just little details like that I really appreciate. Little hand sanitizer bottles, so adorable. They're great at their designs and branding and marketing. Oh, pumpkin carving, that one was really great. That was kind of more like a cinnamony pumpkin scent. Oh, they had this shimmer mist. Oh my goodness, so many things I wanted to get, but holding off until I have a little bit more money to come back and probably just do a whole haul, and maybe I'll make a video about that. And oh, haunted nights, that was the other one, and you can see the spider web designs on the top, and just the beautiful print. It looks like a wall. It makes me think of the Haunted Mansion wallpaper design. They had a little chihuahua, vampire chihuahua, with wall diffuser, and oh, I absolutely love that. That is another diffuser. It's a little haunted house. I love that one so much. Little Day of the Dead skulls, and everything, as you can see, is very shimmery and sort of has a holographic rainbow look to it, and big fan of that. Little bat holders, little more spider web candle holders. Oh my gosh, I was just in heaven looking at everything. So yeah, I definitely do plan to get some and just sort of do like a little review video. So this is more of those same products. This is just on another shelf. They also had some concentrated room sprays of some of these. And then over here, here's some more hand soap. Just kind of going down the list there. And then there's a couple of autumn scents, as you can see, up above those. They're Perfect Autumn, White Tea Sage. Oh, I love the watercolor artwork on those. And they smelled really good. They really did. I did a lot of smelling. And they had some pumpkin soap holders. So thank you so much for watching. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll catch you next time, Moonscouts.